Hi class, we're back doing some more addition facts. This one should be pretty easy since we've practiced this before. So don't forget to put your name at the top of your paper so we know who it belongs to. And then I want you to try your addition facts plus 0. So remember, when we add 0 to a number, the number does not change, it stays the same. So I will do the first couple of rows with you, and then I want you to practice on your own. So 4 plus 0, we're just going to stay at 4. 6 plus 0 stays at 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 0, what is it going to stay? Yeah, 1. Good job. 2 plus 0 is 2. And the last one, 7 plus 0, will stay at 7. So this should be pretty easy. I don't think it'll take you very long to finish. Don't let this one trick you. If it's 0 plus 0, it's just going to stay the same. Stays at 0. But I want you to do the rest of the problems all on your own. And then when you're finished, raise your hand and wait for me to come and check it. And then you can put it away. Good job.